everyone, my name's Allie Cheney and I'm at Brighton Ski Resort with Sun & Ski Sports at the WWSRA. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Armada ARV 94 skis. These are great intermediate expert level skis, so I'm excited to try them out. Alright, I really like these skis so far. They are made from a poplar wood core, fiberglass laminate, and have a twin tip construction. They're great all mountain skis, fun in the park. I would definitely recommend them. If you want more ski product reviews, like and subscribe to the Sun & Ski Sports YouTube channel.